So I'm McKay. I'm in charge of the group that delivers PREDICTA B at SARDI. One of the key messages with soil-borne diseases is that an effective management strategy really has to be developed and implemented before crops are sown. So the key thing is for growers to work out which of the diseases they need to focus on. And that's really why we developed PREDICTA B. And currently we have tests for 9 major diseases for which we know we'll have a pretty good idea of the relationship between the DNA levels and yield loss. And we have tests now for another 9 diseases that we're confident in the tests, and we're just not yet sure about the relationship to yield loss. But all of these results can help growers identify the potential risks in the paddock so they can develop a management strategy before the crops are sown. If there was any crop that you should consider using PREDICTA B, it would have to be paddocks which are to be sown to durum. So unless the grower is really confident that there is no crown rot risk in the paddock, we'd strongly urge that they consider testing those paddocks. And the other thing is now that with PREDICTA B we're getting much more efficient at developing new tests. So this year we're adding 4 new tests to the PREDICTA B reports. That includes ascochyta blight for chickpeas, yellow leaf spot, white grain and charcoal rot, which charcoal rot was actually developed in the northern region. It's a potentially large problem in the summer crops. We've added it to the southern region reports because when we were evaluating the test we found it was very widespread in the southern region. So we're not yet sure what problems it's causing, or if any. But at least the growers and the agronomists will have access to results to decide if it's correlated to poor performing crops.